Update number 2. Spoke to the company. They've sent me a new control panel, control board. So simple enough, plug and play. We fit the new control board, everything in place, all the wires correct, everything in. Turn it on, power it up, start it. Oh, no display. That's just what I need, fucking great. Still waiting for a magnet because we've got a magnet missing. All the wires are in, the lights are on, but I've got no display. Fuck's sake, man. Looks like I'm back onto company. Did have an electrician look at it. He reckons my problem is this unit and also this, because as you can see at the top, the wires are not brilliant. So I'll be back onto company. It did have been easier for them just send me a new lathe, but hey oh, that's what you get when you buy cheap Chinese. Oh, what a bummer. Sorry, but I've got stuff to make. I can't even make it with this. It'd just be easier sending me a new lathe. But, like I say, looks like we've got a problem with this and a problem with this. And we still need a magnet. So I'll get back on the company and I'll let you know how it goes on. But so far we're having no luck. At least it starts and runs, I suppose. I suppose that must be a bonus. I don't know what kind of bonus, but hey oh. So we're never going to get up to speed anyway, we're magnet missing. And the problem seems to be in here and in the display. So like I say, I've had a new control board fitted. Easy to do, straightforward, plug and play like I've said. Wires are in, there to there, it's all okay. But we're getting nothing. We did have a display before that stopped working, so I don't know if that's caused that to go or what, or it's just faulty. Still makes me think somebody sent it back because it wasn't working right. So back to the company, we'll try again. Never again will I order anything like this. Got it from Amazon thinking, well, it'll be okay. Reviews weren't too bad. But, fucking hell. Right, back to drawing board.